Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and I'm actually gonna play with a palette I've had for a minute, never used, and it is from the bank of P Louise, and that one is It's all about those smoky tones. So if you want to see what look I come up with this palette, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so she looks like so. It's kind of like pinky tone, like so. So we're just gonna jump into her. I think we're gonna go into no Limits, which is this shade right here. First. But let me find a brush. Let's try this brush. What is that? An S221 from Makeup by Yolondo, and we're gonna go into No Limits, and I'll just tap this here. Yellow shadows are so good. They are so good. Okay, now we're gonna go into Smoney tones, and then after I'm thinking go figure, maybe. Yes, I'm gonna use an F150, and we're gonna go into Smoney tones, and I'm just gonna stem that like right here. Ooh, nope. Wrong shade. Put that in the dark brown again, or burgundy shade. I'm gonna clean this brush because I'm gonna use this same brush to go into Go Figure. I'm just gonna tap this like right here. And we're gonna have to go back to that kind of dark shade because I feel like I'm losing some of this right here. I'm gonna do like a kind of a messy cut crease, nothing sharp. And I feel like I'm doing like a lot of red. I know this is kind of darker red, but it's like I'm wearing a red top, a red hair thingy, and then red eye look. Kind of like so. So if I want my cut crease to be like really sharp, I'll go in with like I'll clean it up, but I don't want that. And this is one of the best cut crease brushes on the market from Showstopper. Like, it's so good. Now I'm just gonna use this brush. This is from Morphe. It's an M124, and I'm gonna go into investments, but I'm not really like using this shade for anything. I'm just like, that's not gonna be the final shade, so you could use anything here. I'm actually gonna put something over top like a shimmer, but I just want, because sometimes when I go straight with my shimmer or glitter, it looks patchy. And I feel like when I do this, it's like a base. It's like a base. Now I'm gonna go into my glitter glue. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and we're gonna go into Dollar Sign, which looks like so, which is just a shimmer. Dollar Sign, Dollar Sign. See, this doesn't have a lot of coverage. It's more just like a shimmer, so I feel like it's a good thing that you put a base, because if not, it would just look patchy. I don't like how this looks right here though. It looks like it just stopped, and we don't like that. So let's go back to this shade right here and just much better. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. So yeah, I know I look crazy today. I'm actually wearing a little bit of skin corrector. I am having some little breakouts and they're going crazy, so we're like, why not correct, right? I don't really correct that much because I don't usually need any kind of corrections, but today I do. And this is from Live or Tinted Live, and this shade is Balance. Love it. You can use it for your cheek, lip and eye, but I use it for color correct. And for me, that shade is like right here, it's like perfect for color correcting. So if you need a good, and they have different shades, so you can, you know, kind of get something to match you. Okay, so the foundation that we're gonna use today is from ABH or Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the Luminous foundation, like so. Let us go for it. I'm using my brush from Makeup by Yolondo. This is the Flawless brush. I usually stay away from anything that says Luminous, but oh, this might be too light. And I'm gonna use my ABH concealer, you know, Sony fitting. And let this dry for a second. Did I like this? I don't think I did. This cough is like killing me. I'm actually recording and cooking. You know, sometimes you have to do what you gotta do, right? Actually, usually my husband cooks. He loves cooking, so he does most of the cooking for our family. But there's a few things that he likes that I cook, so then I cook it for him. Yup. Yeah, this is great. So let's go in. Okay, I just had my concealer brush. I just had, oh, right here. Let's blend all that concealer. That concealer is so good. If you have dry skin, you will love this. Like, I feel like it's for all skin types, but it's so moisturizing, but not like greasy, you know? She just looks so good. I know it looks like kind of weird right here. The weird, like, you can just use your foundation brush and just, you know, look at this. Perfect. Perfect. Like so, and then this is so good. So, like, this is flawless, I think. Now let's set this. I'm gonna use my Fit Me powder to set this. Don't I make this lighter? What is this? Yep. Let's use this one. So depending on where you are, if you just like that glow, you might be able to get away with this, but I cannot get away with this because I live in Texas and that weather is like, it's like literally 100 degrees every day, so no. Nope. And I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder, which is almost done, but you know, that powder is pricey, so we're gonna use every last bit of it. Man, this looks good. I see that finish though, I love it. And I actually did not prime. Nope, I didn't. I just moisturized. And I do that sometimes. Sometimes I prime, sometimes I don't. Okay, let's put a little bit of primer on the lower lash line and let's just finish up the face because I do want this to dry a bit, so let's put that on. Okay, let's bronze. Let us bronze the face. Let us bronze the face. Oh, this is from Morphe and it is Blogger, like what I am, kind of. And I'm using my Morphe R2 brush. Man, I don't know, I still use Morphe a lot and I don't really like, I still use the brushes like the most, some of the brushes, but I don't really use a lot of Morphe stuff because I just feel like Morphe was just so overhyped for like a long time, you know, and then I don't know, I don't feel like they were that great. Like the shadows for me, sometimes when they do like collabs, they used to be like a little bit better, which is kind of the same way I feel about ColourPop. I feel like when ColourPop does a collab, those are good or decent, but when it's just straight up you know what I like from ColourPop? Like the Super Shock shadows, I feel those like are really good, but apart from that, I don't really like. Yeah, I don't really like this stuff like that. I'm just like, nope, nope. I know there's still people out there that like them, and that's fine. You know, you can. I mean, there's no rule that say you can't. They also have very affordable shadows, so. Yep, we're gonna do Glisten from Tarte. And I'm gonna use Go Pose from Matte. I'm pretty sure this is discontinued, but I have it and I love it and I'm gonna use it. But it's just a gold. You know what's crazy? I feel like this is too dark for me, but I still like it. And we're just gonna dust this off a bit. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. We are almost done. For my lip, I'm gonna do Malt from ABH. Oh, look at all this ABH stuff. And I'm gonna use this. This is from ABH as well, and it is Honey Diamond. It's just a gloss. Maybe let's see how that looks. Okay, let me finish up my arm. Let me finish up my eye. This time is like just running. And then I'm gonna put Profit, which is this shade, in my inner corner. Like so. And let's see what we're gonna put in the inner corner real quick. Not inner corner. Waterline. I'm gonna use this. This is Extreme Lasting whatever. It's just a silky nude. It's just a nude pencil. And let's set everything with my continuous setting spray from Morphe. Okay, So this is it for this look. I love it. I love how this look came out. I know it might not be, you know, the shades for everybody, but you know, I try to do not so crazy, kind of mid-tone and then crazy, right? So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.